Hi, this is the video for the hybrid. Um, it does tie into alphabetic principle because what you're going to be learning about is still how to teach that sounds represent the printed words. So the first thing is to keep practicing your phonograms. In the RISE workshop, you should have work on plurals, voiced and voiceless, and special vowel combinations to keep up. Your homework for this one is to read chapter 5. And while you read chapter 5, you're going to take just some notes. Your notebook should look something like mine. I wrote the title, Learning Letter Names. What are some notes about this? Teaching letter sound correspondences. There's 3 principles. And then what kind of materials would you need to teach these? And what are the 6 sequences for the lesson? You can see here that if you make yours kind of like mine or better, 3 points. If you're missing some stuff, 2. And if it's really super brief, just 1 point. And then on the next 2 pages, there also is a link over here to show you what my page looks like. But I gave you a sound card and you put it on page 70 in your notebook. Okay, that sound card, you're going to do and create the 6 steps similar to what's on pages 65 to 67 in chapter 5. Put these steps in your notebook on page 72 and 73. And you can click on this link. Mine's really blank to kind of show you. The more it looks like the book on pages 65 and 67, the more points you will get. When you're all finished, you should have stuff to turn in on pages 69 that we did in class, 70 that we did in class, and then all of these pages, 71, 72, 73. All of those then get submitted here, and I'll see you later.